Hi everyone, I'm back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful fuchsia pink ornament. As you can see, this is the hanger, and then it has roses around it. Just more bling on top, and of course the satin rosette in front and the fuchsia pink tassel too. So all of these were purchased from Shopee except for the ball, the ornament, which I got from Landmark from my previous post. It was 100 pesos for 8 pieces. So let's start. So for the leaves, actually they're selling this one, but I got this one with the jute, much cheaper, but then you have to remove the jute so to get the silver leaves. So going back to this one, all my materials are from Shopee, as I've told you earlier. So we have the rosette, the beads, the crystals, and the tassel. This is I got this. It's like this. It's for I think this is 20 pieces, and then the rosette is 10 pesos or 12, I think. So let's start doing it. So I'll teach you how to do this, but on a different style. This is done vertically, no, horizontally, and I'll be doing it vertically. Okay, so okay, let's start. So as I've told you earlier, I'm doing it vertically. So this is the silver leaves I got from the jute one. So I'm going to glue it. Okay, then I went all around it, but in here from the original ball I did it horizontally, so it's only one line going around the ball. So after that, we're going to attach our flower beads and our small crystals alternately. So it's just like having the full bloom flower and the bud. Okay, so now for the rosette, I'm going to do it in threes. So I already sewed the first one, then I'll attach another one here. Okay, that's about it. So that was done 3 times. So this is it. So I'm gonna attach it to our ball. So I left one part blank, so meaning I didn't put any flowers on it because I'm going to put this one. I'm putting a crystal inside the rosette. Just a peekaboo. Okay, we're almost done. So this is how I do my hangers. So this is a sample. So I make a loop for the branch of the tree, and then I strung beads depending on how long you like it. At the end, this is the part that will go on to the hanger. Okay, so but this won't do. I will make a silver one. Okay, so I pre-strung some beads. Okay, so this is the part that will hang on the tree, the loop part. So this is a 0.3 copper wire. Usually I just twist it. Just to make the loop. Okay, then strung your beads. At the end part, you insert the wire inside the beads. Okay, on the other end, this will go through the ornament holder. If you're going to make just like what I did, I'm pre-making the hangers. I just fold at the end so you can make them so that the beads won't fall out. So these are my pre-done, pre-made hangers. So how I attach this one, I just insert this again, I twist it around. When I'm done and it's already sturdy, I just insert the leftover wire inside the bead. Okay, that's done. So I'm going to bling this part with the fuchsia flat beads, and I'll add 4 clear beads, just like this one. So that's it, it's done. So this is a different styled one. So the flowers are done vertically. Okay, the original one was done horizontally, so this will use less material than the one that we made. So these are my finished ornaments. Thank you.